everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. So on today's episode, we'll be discussing Ipsy. Yep, Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular bag for February of 2021. And we're going to get started right away with this bag. So this bag is $12 a month plus tax. So for me, it's like $13 and some cents every month. I do get this monthly, and then I have Glam Bag X. Should be coming like about the 18th or 19th, so I'll have that video up then. But right now, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. I don't know what's in here. I opened it and then I really didn't look inside. I didn't pick anything. I didn't choose anything. Nothing. So I will link the website or the place where you can get the bag down below in the description box. So go ahead and go down there if you want this bag. So let's go ahead and open it. I think it's fairly simple. It's not even a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, I think you had a choice of 2 different bags, but this is one of the bags. Actually, this is cute. This reminds me of oh, what's her name? Somebody has a lipstick with the lips on it. Sealed with a kiss. Oh, that's actually really cute. I didn't get to see this. I know there was 2 bags. I saw a couple unboxing. I think somebody had like a pink bag, and then we have this red bag and brush. So this is a blush brush, and this is by Shania B. Miami. Never heard of this brand at all. That's what the brush looks like. Let me see. Oh, I got it upside down, girl. There you go. It's a nice brush. It says blush on there, because I couldn't tell you. I use all my brushes differently. And it's a nice brush. So that's one. And let's look inside to see if it has the little booklet in here. And it sure does. So let me know down below, you know, do you get this bag? What did you get in your bag after we go through everything? And if you liked your bag, and if not, if you'll sign up to get the bag. So this month is Send Love. Well, I guess for Valentine's Day. February 2021. It says all you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails. You deserve it all. And that's a little, I guess, like a little postcard they give us. And it says celebrate Black History Month. Buy black. Incredible payoff, innovative formulas, inclusive shades, inspiring founders. Pat McGrath. There you go. That's what this reminds me of. Her lipsticks come with like a little lip on there. If I had one, I'd show you. And then, oh, sorry about that. And that's the back of it. So, what did I get besides this bag? We got the brush. The brush is worth $23. See, for a brush like this, for a brand I never even heard of, would I pay $23 for one brush? No. I don't even pay that much money for other brushes. That's just too much money. I could buy a whole kit maybe for $23, but not just one brush. Okay. And Ipsy, it comes with 5 products and 1 bag every month for $12. I believe you get 1 full-size item, sometimes 2, and everything else is like a sample size. Which I'm kind of disappointed in this bag, actually. So let's see. The first item is Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner Night Noche. I guess that's the shade. Yep, Ojos Perfectos Night Noche. Made in Germany. So it's just a highlight. It's just an eyeliner by Araceli. Oh man, come on. There you go. And it just says create endless eye looks with this jet black liquid liner. It has a precise felt tip that glides onto lids smoothly. No tugging, which in my case, for my hooded ass eyes, my wrinkly eyes, lids, I need something that's not gonna pull. Plus the smudge proof formula lasts for hours without touch-ups. I hope so, because I put on this eyeliner earlier and I keep getting it down here, and I don't know, it ends up all over the place. And I'm using, what am I using? I think it's Tarte. I think it's a Tarte eyeliner, or Maybelline. Might be Maybelline. Store your felt tip eyeliner upside down to keep it from drying out. And it's $16. So this is a full size. So far 2 full size items. And again, 23 and 16. What is that? $39 for a $12 bag. It's not bad. The next item, which is very tiny, probably for a Barbie doll. Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. There you go. It's very tiny. This is of course the sample size. It says DIY your own illuminating concealer for dark circles by mixing this eye cream with it. And the full size version of this product is $39 and it's for 15 milliliters. Let's open it up. I like Glam Glow. It doesn't smell like anything. No. But it does have a shimmer to it. I guess that's why it's telling you to put it with your concealer. So again, full size is $39. This is sample. The next item was the brush, and it's $23. This one says tip. The square cut tip works perfectly for contouring your cheekbones, hairline, and jawline. Okay, so I guess like this. I use brushes for everything. It's supposed to be for blush, but I guess they're pretty much giving you tips on contouring. And the next item is Ico Galactic Lid Gloss Zodiac. And this thing is tiny. Cream eyeshadow. Zodiac, that's the color. Look at this thing. It's tiny. Use this eye gloss as a glam bronzy highlighter by blending it across your cheekbones. Okay. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $19. This is 4 milliliters. So this is half. So that's what, about $9.50? Because the full-size product is 8 milliliters, which is double of this, and it's $19. This is, well, you know what? If I could be, I don't know, you guys. That just seems like a lot of money for that. And then the last item we got in here is a Vanilla Company Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Cleansing Balm. Wow, that's a lot. And this is a deluxe sample again. Tip: massage onto dry skin until it transforms into an oil, then rinse it away and pat your skin dry. And the full size product is $22. How many ounces or milliliters is this? This is 7 milliliters, 97 milliliters for $22. Yeah, that seems more. Oh, so it's just like a Vaseline, like all the other cleansers. It's minty. What's in here? Yeah, it smells minty or tea tree or something. It doesn't say. I guess I'd have to go to the website. But that's what that looks like. It's like a balm. And that's what that's called. Well, you can't even see it because of the lighting. But that's it. So this is a nice little bag for $12. I'm starting to like Walmart's boxes for $5, or their limited edition boxes, which is like $13. I think pretty much everything in that box is full size, but that's only done like maybe 3 times out the year, 4 times of the year, because it's seasonal. This is monthly. So I mean, it's, if you get what you wanted or need, then it's worth the $12. If you get stuff that you really don't need, then it's just a waste of $12, right? So again, let's recap. We got this Vanilla Company Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Cleansing Balm deluxe sample. Then we have this, I'm not good with these kind of eyeshadows, so I'm not put this in a giveaway. I don't like these creamy things. This is Galactic Lid Gloss. I'm assuming, you know what they say about assume, and I could be wrong. Maybe the cap is the color of the eye color. I don't know. We would have to look online. It's called Zodiac. But that's the Galactic Lid Gloss. Tiny little thing. Worth $9.50. If I'm doing my math right. Right, 9, 18, 50. Yeah, I think so. Because the full size is double that, and it's $19. Then we have the brush, which $23 is a lot of money for this. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know how good it lives up to the washing. I know those stupid Morphe Jeffree Star brushes are garbage after you wash them once. We'll see how this works out. Now, this is $23 in the Shayna B Miami blush brush, or Shayna. See, that's the name. $23 for just one brush. Okay, one brush. Then the next item is this Glam Glow, which I love Glam Glow. Glam Glow Bright Eyes. I'll use this definitely. And I opened it, so I'll definitely use it. And then this eyeliner, which is Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner, night, in the color Night Noche. And this is a full-size product. And then it says made in Germany. Let's see. Right there. Yeah, there you go. Oh, don't look at my nails. I didn't have any press on, so I couldn't put anything on. And this is worth $16. So everything in here is worth over 50 bucks, just like it says. Signed, sealed, delivered. These 5 Glam Bag products valued at 50 plus are all yours. All yours. But again, buy black for the month of February. And then the again, that is the Send Love for February, which I like. I like my little bag. I like this bag. It's cute. I really like this. Remember that expression when you were little, at least for me, when I was in grammar school, it was sealed with a lick because a kiss won't stick, and I would write that inside the envelope when we used to pass notes. Girl, that was a long time ago. There's none of that anymore. Again, this is the bag. It's pretty neat. I like it. And then this side. This reminds me of Pat McGrath lipstick. And that's everything at Ipsy. Let me know what you think of the bag. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, or dislike this video. It's all good with me. You know, it's fine. But let me know if you like the products that were in this bag. If you got this bag, did you get the same thing I did? I know there's like a lot of variations. But let me know for twinsies. And that's it, you guys. So let me know what y'all think. I hope you have a fabulous day. And until next time, hasta luego.